Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started.
In this video we break down the top 5 best air fryer toaster oven you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best air fryer on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which air fryer are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Ninja SP101 Foodi Digital Air Fryer. The Ninja Foodi Digital Air Fry Oven packs a lot of features and cooking capacity in a small countertop footprint. Air fry, air roast, air broil, bake, bagel, toast, dehydrate, and keep warm all in one appliance, and when you're done cooking, reclaim your counter space by simply flipping the oven up and away to clean and store. The ultimate meal making machine with 8-in-1 functionality, that is air fry, air roast, air broil, bake, bagel, toast, dehydrate, and keep warm all in one powerful 1800 watt appliance. Includes a removable crumb tray and an easily accessible back panel for deep cleaning. For details, let's watch more. Our second best toaster oven air fryer is Breville Bove 900 BSS Smart Oven Air Fryer. The Smart Oven Air with Element IQ is for the cook who desires a countertop oven that can roast for large gatherings, air fry crispy French fries and family favorites, and dehydrate a wide range of healthy foods. With super convection technology, it has 2-speed convection fan, offers greater cooking control. With Element IQ 6 independent quartz heating elements move the power where it's needed most, above and below the food for perfect results. To easily access the built-in smart functionality, choose from 13 cooking functions. Integrated oven light automatically turns on at the end of cooking cycle or can be switched at the touch of a button. For details, let's watch more. Number 3 in our list is Kasori CO 130-hour Air Fryer. Kasori Premium Air Fryer Toaster Oven with 12 presets: toast, bagel, pizza, bake, roast, air fry, broil, cookies, rotisserie, dehydrate, ferment and keep warm. Air fry function with high-speed convection fan, cooking with no or less oil to let you enjoy healthier food in silent process. You can enjoy air-fried meals with up to 85% less fat than traditionally fried foods. Air fry feature may require more cooking time than standalone air fryers. It's easy to clean with sleek brushed stainless steel appearance, solid non-stick interior, and high-quality glass door. The appliance could be cleaned up with moist mop. For details, let's watch more. Fourth recommendation in our site is KitchenAid Keiko 124BM Digital Oven Air Fryer. The KitchenAid Digital Countertop Oven with Air Fry was designed to offer endless healthy and fresh possibilities. With the no-flip air fry basket and 360 degrees air fry system, it's easy to make everything from French fries to delicate fish and so much more. With even heat convection technology, its top and bottom heating element design and convection fan ensure the inside of the oven is heated to, and stays at the right temperature. For details, let's watch more. Last in our top 5 best toaster oven air fryer is Cuisinart TOA 60 Toaster Oven Air Fryer. Introducing a healthier way to fry, and so much more. The Cuisinart oven fryer is actually a premium full-size toaster oven with a built-in air fryer. That means it not only bakes, broil, and toasts, it also lets you air fry right inside the oven. With 1800 watts and 7 functions, it can air fry, make convection bake, convection broil, bake, broil, warm, toast. Adjustable thermostat with 60-minute timer auto shutoff, toast shade selector timer. For details, let's watch more. Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product videos, we randomly provide special giveaway offer. So, please subscribe Best Pick list for more product deal and guide on your feed. You can also check description for product link and updated prices. Happy shopping!